Okay, so to get started with memberships, once you've logged in and you've landed here on the dashboard, go and click on memberships here on the side left panel. Now this is going to open up the initial dashboard, just giving you a summary of some of the recent statistics within your account. Those are opt-ins in the last 30 days, sales in the last 30 days, checkouts in the last 30 days, and members in the last 30 days. So this is just where things get started, and this is where we can dive in to some of the tabs such as courses, communities, and certificates. So let's start with courses. So underneath dashboard, you have products, offers, analytics, and settings. So jumping into products, this is where we can create courses and products for our customers to enroll in, for us to resell, and to start generating extra income for our business through this feature. If you want to create a course, you would click on create product here up in the top right corner. And this is where you can either start from scratch and create a fully customizable, personalized course that tracks your customer's progress and creates a full in-depth curriculum based on your course for customers and clients to go through. The other option is you can import a already existing course from Kajabi, and this will import that course into your account and all the elements alongside it, giving you a one-click install into some previous created courses hosted on Kajabi, making it easier than ever to import courses from there and bringing everything under one roof. Underneath products on the courses dropdown, we also have offers. So this is where we can create one-off offers or maybe even recurring offers for things like discounts, promotions, and much more. If you want to create an offer, you can click on the create offer button up here in the top right corner, and this will open up a new page asking you to title the offer, select the products, the type, as well as the price text override, and then prompting you to create the offer. Please bear in mind that offers as well as products and courses cannot be created until you have a payment integration set up. If you'd like to know how to set up a payment integration, please refer to some of the previous tutorials in this setup course, and we'll show you exactly how to integrate your payment provider and start taking payments within your accounts. So underneath offers, we now have analytics, and this is where we can view a deep, advanced look at the analytics from course progress to assessments to member analytics and revenue analytics. And opening each one of these will open up a new page and provide us with a breakdown of even more detail around this specific analytics. If this is your first time opening this page with a brand new account, no analytics will show, and it will just show as a blank page as these aren't populated yet. However, as you begin populating your account, these different analytics pages will begin populating and giving you a breakdown of all the data that you need to make data-driven decisions to start growing your business. And finally, underneath analytics is settings. This is where you can change the site details such as your branding, your SEO. You can set up your domain, your email settings, and finally, you can also customize the app settings of your programs. So by clicking into app settings, this is where we can actually start to customize a lot of the features around how our app appears. And yes, this means that you can send all of your customers and clients a customizable, white labeled, fully functional mobile app that they can use to access your courses, your communities, and your certificates. So then moving on to communities, this is where we can start to create communities of people that we can interact with, host, and engage with on a day-to-day basis all around your products and services. So similar to Facebook groups or even school communities, this is where we can host these groups and start to build relationships and build communities around our products or services in our business to further help you grow your business. To create a group, you can click create group button right here, and this will then bring you through the step-by-step instructions on how to customize and create a community for people to start joining. Finally, underneath communities, you also have settings. This is where you can create and set up your subdomain, as well as a custom domain for your client portal. And then finally, moving on to certificates, this is where we can create customizable and personalized certificates to give to your members to encourage interaction with you, your products, your courses, and your business. So this is optional. This isn't something that you need to set up at all. However, in terms of customer engagement, in terms of customer satisfaction, we've seen a huge uptick in terms of customers receiving certificates based off of their journey with you and your business. For example, if you'd like to give your customers a certificate for completing a program, or maybe even completing a program within a certain timeline, or maybe even achieving a certain result after consuming your course and completing your course, you can do so in here. To create a new certificate, go ahead and click on new, and this will then prompt you to create a certificate from a template, or go ahead and create one from scratch. And so that is the members area. So this is where you can create courses, create communities, issue certificates, and manage your client portal, as well as a white labeled app for your customers to use, adding an extra level of professionalism to your business and making the experience easier than ever for your customers, ultimately to help grow your business. So if you have any questions whatsoever about memberships, please feel free to reach out to our team and we'll be more than happy to help.